Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you your command contacts filters and advanced filter options. This is a great way to be able to sort and organize through your command contacts. So let's go ahead and jump into command. And we'll go to the command contacts tab over here on the left, second icon down. Your filters button is right here. Ours says filters on because we have a smart view set up, but yours may just say filters. Either way, when you give that a click, your filters drawer will open over here to the right. These are your basic filters, and I'm going to go through them in detail in just a moment. But first, I want to show you the advanced filters option up here in the top right, as I will be referencing that quite often. So if you give the advanced button a click, this will bring you to your advanced filters. Not only can you filter through your contacts, you also now have a condition field and a value field, so you can get a little more detailed with your search through your contacts. I'll jump back into this shortly. Let's go back over to our basic filters to go through them first. Now here for your basic filters, I'm going to touch on each one briefly just to let you know what they will help you find. Your first is contact type. You can view all of your command contacts. Contacts only, meaning you've had that real estate conversation with them and you have some sort of relationship with them. Or you can view leads only. Those are the people that you still have yet to have that real estate conversation with. You can also filter by tags. You can choose any out of the list that you see here just by clicking on them, as many as you want, or you can simply type in the tag you're looking for and select it that way as well. You'll notice I'm using the carrots or the arrows on the right-hand side to open those sections and minimize them again. Lead source. This is where you got that lead from or where you met them. You can select any of the sources from the drop down or search for them right here and select which ones you're looking for. Agent site connection. This is whether that contact has registered on your KW agent site and or your KW app, your consumer mobile app. If you want to see if they've registered and connected with you or not, just see any. If you want to see contacts that have registered, that would be considered connected, and you would choose this option. And if you want to see the contacts who have not registered yet, you can choose not connected. That'd be a great conversation starter to see the contacts that have not connected with you just yet so that you can get that app in their hands and get them connected. Next is neighborhoods. You can search by a particular neighborhood name that may be applied to that contact profile. You can search for contacts that have any neighborhoods applied to their command contacts, or you can search by contacts that do not have a neighborhood just yet. Recently active. This means that they have been active on your KW app or your KW agent site, considering their consumer login, like when they register or sign up and log in to your site or your app. So this is how you would filter to find the contacts that have done that either longer than, let's say it's been more than 30 days since they've checked out your site or app, or maybe within the last 30 days, you want to see who has been recently active. For created, this is based on when the contact was added in or captured in your command. Modified is whenever the last update was made to this particular contact, or if you have had any kind of interaction that has been added to their timeline event, like phone call, text, maybe you had a meeting with them. Last contacted would be similar, but this is actually going to cover whenever you've last interacted with that contact, which would also include maybe you've sent a command email out through Smart Plans or an email campaign. It will also be based on whether they've received a client update email from your opportunities as well, or text messaging. Smart Plans. This is a way to find contacts that are not currently active on any Smart Plans, or a particular Smart Plan that you have in mind. You can search by that particular Smart Plan. Or if they're active on any type of Smart Plan, you can choose that. For birthday, you can see who has a birthday within the next however many days, weeks, or months, within the last certain days, weeks, or months, or longer than it's been more than, say, 6 months since their birthday. The same for their home anniversary as well. Same type of fields. You can find your contacts that have had a home anniversary within the next or within the last, or has been longer than a certain set of days, weeks, or months. Company, whether they're associated with a particular company or not. For primary address, if their address contains, and you can enter like a city name or a name of the street. And primary phone, you can enter a certain piece of the phone. Maybe you're looking for contacts within a certain zip code, or excuse me, area code. So you could type that in and find those contacts. And then also primary email. If their primary email address contains a certain set of letters or numbers, you could enter that here to find the contacts that that would apply to. And that covers your basic filters. When you're done setting your basic filters, you can click apply and it will bring you back to your command contacts so that you can view the contacts that those filters apply to. If you want to jump back into your advanced, this is a great way to come in. We'll minimize, we apparently added a lot of filters, so let's remove some of those. You can come in here and add multiple filters at a time and use those conditional and value fields, condition and value fields, excuse me, to actually get them a little more narrowed down. Like if you're looking for contacts that would be great to put on your monthly neighborhood nurture smart plan, those contacts need to, number one, have a neighborhood on their contact profile and need to have a primary email address so that we can come here and choose neighborhoods. And for the condition, we'll say is not empty, meaning they have at least one neighborhood on their contact profile. We can add that additional filter. Notice that it adds the and between those filters, meaning both of these filters need to apply in order to pull that contact up. And so then we'll look by email. And for the condition, we'll choose is not empty as well. So when we apply these particular advanced filters, we will be able to look at the contacts that already have a neighborhood on file and have a primary email address on file, meaning they are ready to go ahead and add to our monthly neighborhood nurture smart plan. That is it for your basic filters and advanced filters. If you have any questions about anything we've gone over here today, you can always reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we will be certainly happy to help. Thanks for watching.